Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to see a grammar part, sentence pattern. Sentence is a group of words. There are 5 important components in a sentence. They are subject, verb, object. Object is two types, direct object and indirect object. Complement and adjunct. Subject. Subject is a word or phrase that does the action in a sentence. Subject should be a noun or pronoun. Person, place and thing. Pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. For example, Ramesh bought a new car. Here, subject is Ramesh. Butterflies fly. Here, subject is butterflies. Next one. They are players. Here, they is a subject. Next, verb. A verb is a word that tells about an action, a state of being or existence, or possession. Verb classified into two types. First one, main verb. Second one, auxiliary verb. All the action words are called as main verb. Auxiliary verb divided into two types. First one is primary auxiliary verb. Be forms am, is, or, was, were. Have forms have, has, had. Do forms do, does, did. Second one, modal auxiliary. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, must, might, need, dare, used to, or to. She dances well. Here, dances is a verb. I have a doll. Have is a verb. The candle is burning. This is a verb. Object. Object is a word or a phrase in a sentence, two words, which the action is done. For example, the sun gives light. Here, light is an object. I have a kite. Kite is an object. I bought a mosque. Mosque is an object. Direct and indirect objects. There are two types of objects, direct object and indirect object. Direct object. The phrase or word which answers the question what is direct object. For example, my father presented me a gift. What did your father present? Your answer is a gift. Our teacher taught us grammar. What did your teacher teach? Grammar. It is a direct object. Indirect object. The phrase or word which answers the question whom is indirect object. For example, my sister gave me a notebook. Whom did your sister give a note? Me. It is an indirect object. Next, complement. Complement is a word or phrase that comes after a verb to complete the meaning of a sentence. For example, he is a doctor. If we read he is, the sentence is not completed. He is a doctor. Now the sentence is completed. They elected him a chairman. If we read they elected him, the sentence is not completed. A chairman, it gives a complete sense of a sentence. Adjunct. An adjunct gives answer to the question like how, where, when, why. The sentence is meaningful even if it is removed. For example, I come to school. Where? I come daily. When? I come by bus. How? I come to land. Why? For example, Ram painted the wall grey. Here, grey is adjunct. She slept well. Here, well is adjunct. Let us see the exercise. Birds fly. Birds subject, fly verb. We play cricket. We subject, Play, verb, cricket, object. Third one, she is a teacher. She subject is verb, a teacher complement. My grandfather told me a story. My grandfather subject, told verb, me indirect object, story direct object. We named the child Raju. We subject, named verb, the child object, Raju complement. Thank you, my dear students. Learn well.